Understanding Remote Work Policy, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and modern phrase, remote work policy. This concept has become increasingly important in today's work environment. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means, and how it's used in everyday English. Remote work policy is a combination of two concepts, remote work and policy. Remote work, also known as telecommuting, refers to a work arrangement where employees do not commute to a central place of work, like an office building, warehouse, or store. Instead, they work from a location of their choice, which is often their home. A policy, in a workplace context, is a set of rules or guidelines that dictate certain practices within an organization. Policies are established to help companies operate smoothly and to ensure that employees understand their responsibilities. In today's digital age, more companies are adopting remote work as a viable option. This makes having a clear remote work policy crucial. Such a policy outlines eligibility, who can work remotely, availability, when should remote employees be available, communication, how should remote employees communicate, productivity expectations, what are the work output expectations, security, how should employees handle company data securely. Understanding these aspects is essential for both employers and employees to ensure a successful remote working arrangement. To better understand how this phrase is used in context, let's look at some examples. 1. Our company's remote work policy allows employees to work from home 2 days a week. 2. Due to the pandemic, we have updated our remote work policy to accommodate more employees. 3. Before you start working remotely, please familiarize yourself with the company's remote work policy. We hope this video helps you understand the meaning and usage of remote work policy. This phrase is becoming more common in professional environments around the world, and knowing what it entails can be very useful. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but also about understanding the context in which these words are used. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.